BluntCut MetalWorks, June 15, 2021. This is Elmax 65 Rockwell HT5 TF7, 15 dot. This assembly was tested at well, I have a little different profile at 62.5 Rockwell before, but anyway, we'll go through a quick 2x4 hack of the thing. Just checking the pulse, that's pretty much. Still, I got a test. It's 18 degrees precise, Sharpened woods and edgepro, and at 600 grit diamond plate. This is dry eucalyptus. We take a close-up picture, but I don't think this is lignum vitae. I mean Argentine. It's not a genuine kind of, also known as Vera wood. Again, I mean, if you ever have an opportunity it's not cheap. Yep, it's nothing. Okay, make the test short. Jump to Sharpened 16D nail. One. Well, I got pretty beat up. Three. So what I'm looking for is a 65 Rockwell. When hitting the nail like this, what kind of damage would be? I mean, the chip would be a chip or would be a dent. And so, anyway, overview of the 3 nail chop. I zoom in here, you can see there, that's your little length there. A lot of the little deformation from hitting the anvil right there. And the initial edge, this is what it look like. There's a 0.5 millimeter scale right here, and at the sharpened bevel, this match here, the thickness behind the edge is 17 thou, and this is the intermediate, the mid of the 3 damage. But the 3 damage is fairly similar, and you can see the deformation, micro to a little larger, but you don't see any fracture. Thanks for watching.